Daily NFT Brief, August 25th. Witcher Animator launches Darkverse game. So spelled DRKVRS, but as we know in Web3 world, we don't pronounce vowels. So it's Darkverse game, NFTs to bridge cyberpunk with horror. The new project with Aleph Zero aims to bring elements of Cyberpunk 2077 into an R-rated cosmic horror experience. So Marcin Kobylecki, who previously worked in the video games The Witcher and Cyberpunk 2077, wants to bring a darker fantasy edge to the still nascent metaverse with a new project, Darkverse. So this project is being built in collaboration with Aleph Zero, which is a proof-of-stake blockchain that was launched last November with the A0 native token powering the project. So this is the blockchain that it's being built on, Aleph Zero. I must say I wasn't familiar with this blockchain, but it seems interesting, and I'll look more into that. So Kobylecki also has a background in film. He was the EP executive producer on an Oscar-nominated short film, and his background in computer animation, special effects, and games like The Witcher is what's helping driving the development of Darkverse. Witcher is a good example because it's a stylized game. So in our universe, Darkverse, we create a stylized game. We find a new look for these kinds of projects. So here they have a very short 3-second trailer that gives you a bit of a tone and the style of what they're doing here. So we look more about what they're looking to do. So Darkverse aims to change the perception of metaverse games as slowly play to earn schemes. Its developers say their goal is to produce a game developed by gaming industry professionals first, merging their expertise with blockchain technology. The entire notion behind Darkverse is to make it how it sounds, dark and gloomy. So it's that vibe, it's that style, very much like The Witcher. Collaborators include popular Polish fantasy, science fiction, horror writers Łukasz Orbitowski and Jacek Dukash. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Now, how will this operate? 2 tokens will be used for Darkverse, a tradable token, spec, and a second one called God's Blood that will be used in-game with Aleph Zero, the blockchain, providing the underlying infrastructure for token transfer, voting, and NFT. Plans include a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, to oversee governance and vote on on-game developments. Also, they're looking to enable the community come up with their own ideas and allow for rewarding independent creators who will be able to build on top of this metaverse/game. Darkverse takes players to the bowels of an ancient cosmic beast called Leviathan. Players will explore the city of Babylon. This transhumanist dystopia serves as the central hub for players to interact with one another, advance the story, makes complex moral choices. The team often refers to the work of Tomasz Baginski, the Polish illustrator who also created cinematics for The Witcher and Cyberpunk 2077. It's basically the same style, and the guys operate in this area where they can pull the beauty of the darkness, so as to speak. It won't be The Witcher. It will be different from Cyberpunk, with a mixture of Guillermo del Toro and his creators. So in terms of where they're at currently, it's an initial stages of development, and the medium in which the game will appear is not yet decided. So they're not sure if this will be a standalone app or a web application. So this is something that is still in their development. So it seems like an interesting project. I know The Witcher game is insanely popular, and also the Netflix show and the books have become very much in demand as well now. So interesting to see this coming up. I'm always a fan of new creative projects in the metaverse, and whether that's gaming and building this ecosystem, which also will drive new creators to build on top of this metaverse using their ecosystem tokens and the NFTs. So that's something that's interesting for me, and I look forward to seeing what happens next in this. Thanks for watching or listening. August 25th. Watch tomorrow for the NFT brief for August 26th. Hope you have a great day.